How to use your phone as a webcam on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use your phone as a webcam on PC, easy and fast, in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to your browser and search for arion.com. This is the link of the website that we are gonna use, and then download this program from here and click start download, and then you need to download it on Play Store on your phone too. And after you download it on your phone, then all what you have to do is connect those two between PC and your phone, and then you will be able to use your phone as a webcam. Let me show you. Webcam phone. From here we can see the photos that you can use your phone as a webcam. It's very easy. So after you download it on your phone, click open, and then all what you have to do is connect it with your phone and everything is gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.